Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by extracting the Onenote voice. Export or play and record it to WAV/MP3 using a reliable recorder. Once done, open Sony Vegas Pro and create a new project so you control sample rate, match it to the exported audio. Make sure your audio device and Vegas settings align. Mismatched sample rates cause pops and sync issues. Import the audio file into the project bin, then drag it to the timeline as the first track so you can work from the original waveform. Now you focus on making the voice usable. Trim leading and trailing silences and apply normalization to bring levels to around -3 dB for headroom. Use the built-in noise reduction and an EQ to remove rumble and boost presence. Apply light compression to even out dynamics without squashing the natural tone. If you have video, place it on a separate track and sync visually or by waveform. Make small timeline nudges, 1/100th or 1,000th of a second, until lips and waves. To finish, choose render settings that preserve quality, PCM WAV or a high bitrate MP3, and make sure sample rate and bit depth match your source. Once rendered, play the file through a reliable media player and listen critically for clicks, sync drift, or phase issues. If you encounter problems, go back. Re-import the original Onenote export, verify project sample rate and audio device settings, and disable third-party plugins one by one to isolate the cause. This methodical approach fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.